In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a form on Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're setting up a simple contact form or something more detailed, this guide will simplify the process for you. Let's dive in and get that form up and running in no time. First, we need to head over to Google Sites. So open your web browser and type Google Sites into the search bar. Once the search results appear, click on the first link. This link will take you directly to Google Sites, where you can manage and create your websites effortlessly. Now that we're on the Google Sites homepage, the next step is to select the site you want to work on. You'll see various sites if you've already been using Google Sites. Click on the site you wish to add the form to in order to open it. This will take you into the editing mode for that particular site. Once your site is open in the editor, look towards the right side of your screen. There, you'll see a panel with various options. You need to locate and click on the Insert option. This is essentially your toolbox for adding new elements to your site, including forms. Now that you've selected the Insert option, go ahead and scroll down until you see the Forms feature. Click on Forms. If you have existing forms, they will be displayed here. If not, your Forms area might be empty. But don't worry, creating a form is straightforward. If you have already created forms in Google Forms, they will display here. All you need to do is find the form you'd like to include and click on it to select it. You might notice that my Forms area is currently empty, as I haven't added any forms yet. If you're in a similar position, take a moment to create a form in Google Forms, which you can link here later. Once you've selected the form you want to insert, look for the Insert button and click it. This will automatically add your form to the page of your choice on Google Sites. The process is quick and doesn't require any additional steps on your part. And there you have it. A form added to your Google site in just a few simple steps. It's seamlessly integrated, and you didn't need any advanced skills or coding to make it happen. Make sure to preview your site to check that everything looks the way you want it to. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.